Alright, here's my trash picked I got from the dumpster. Frigidaire, 30 pint, I think, dehumidifier. And even though it still works, this thing is out of charge. No refrigerant, that's what that means. Because the compressor still runs. But as you can see, hang on. There we go. As you can see, it is all rusted. So yeah, this thing has no refrigerant. But that's not going to stop me from using it, because it still works. Even though I know it's not putting out some heat right here, it still runs. So I will still use it. It just doesn't have no refrigerant, but it does have a nice sound to it. So I'm just glad I got one. I put it right where the portable air conditioner is. Yeah, it's also a nice one. It's just out of charge. Look how much airflow it puts out. So yeah. I will get another dehumidifier though that has a charge. So yeah. It's a really good dehumidifier. But sadly, it has no refrigerant. Like, it's completely flat on refrigerant. The compressor isn't running right now because I got the humidity set to 50, and it is 45% humidity in here. So I will run the AC though. This one just shut off. Gosh. I was really hoping this thing would just have a charge, but it is what it is. Even though I know it doesn't have a charge, it's still cycled. So we're still in good condition. It's just no charge. Now the AC has a charge. Let's put out some serious cold air. But that being said, thanks for watching. That'll be it.